Blessings, blessings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Fireweed Farm. Just an early morning walk by the farm. As you can see, some pumpkins. Yeah, man. Pumpkin like crazy. Yeah, man. So then we have some sweet peppers. Sweet peppers. Also some sweet corns. Also some plantain suckers. Some okra. Some people call it lady finger in other country. Have a lot of health benefits. Yeah, them have some bean, some running bean. Also the tree of life. Some greens. Yeah, man, some callaloo. So this is some garden bean. This is another bean, so we call it the garden bean. Yes, people, we all need to do some farming. See, me people, we also have some open ackee. Yeah, man, the country life sweet, everything we have in the country. Yeah, man, see it there? Ackee. Want some ackee and saltfish for your breakfast in the morning or with some okra. Yeah, man, just a Jamaican style. So you all need to come and Fireweed Farm, true Jamaican vibes. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. One love, one heart. Blessings.